I have just got a air filter, and in this video we're going to try to replace the air filter. So this is the air filter box. We're going to remove this box first. Firstly, we can see the clips here, 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 and here. So we release the clips, just push them away from the box, and then we can wiggle the box a little bit. There are two connections over here. So one is this pipe down to the engine, and we have this squeezable clip. So we're going to just squeeze these two together to release the pressure. This is the one. The other connection is over here. So this is the air intake, the clean air get into the engine. And again, we have this squeezable clip. We're going to squeeze these two together and wiggle the air box, and also we'll clip this, press these two together and wiggle the box so we can remove them. So we have just removed the air box. You can see this squeezable, and also this one. This is crankshaft ventilation, and this is the air intake to the engine. And this is the hot air, the external air getting from that pipe and into the box. And here is where the air filter sit. So it's now here. So this is the old air filter, and this is the box. So just turn this that way, turn this that way. That fix the position. Okay. You can just remove the old air filter like this. So this side a little bit dirty. Just to do a comparison, this is my old filter, this is the new filter, and this is a SCT brand and made from nearly the same material, fiber material, and this is the MANN filter. You can see there's a plastic case, and on the edge there's some rubber. In the middle is a fabric filter things. It's really white. It's like milk white, and this is a old one. This side's cleaner, and this side's darker, and this new one, I think it's a good quality. This is a MANN filter. To install, you can just put it in here. Just make sure align together, or you could put it over here and hold this edge when you turn it install. Either way, I'm going to clean the box first before I install. Now I have cleaned the inside here and everywhere around here, so I put it in here. I'm ready to install. Just align together and flip it over, and make sure I put this tool on. I have just got this on. You see here, sit onto that pipe, and there sit on that pipe. I'm going to push in while I'm pressing this too. I found it easier just to push the big one in first, and make sure it in the position. Then I'm going to put this in. So make sure here at the bottom and here, push it to the bottom while squeezing the clips. So now it is okay. So this side is much easier. Yeah, that's it. That's how to replace the air filter. This is the final position. You see this pipe sit on the bottom, and we have these clips tight over here, and also you can see that's air intake, and we have the clip over there and sit very well on the inlet of the air intake.